welcome to this week's Vet Ranch Roundup. Thank you so much for joining us. Kiki Squeaky. Oh, I was just calling him and he was like, don't show me like that. He's gonna be really embarrassed, but he's using our super cool litter robot and they sent us to that for Kiki and Squeaky. I can't talk. So that was super sweet. But anyway, come here, Squeaky. If you don't know these guys, you definitely need to check out a couple playlists that we'll post here to get caught up with roundups and meet the patients that we have. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's a lot lighter now. He just made it. Hi. You have some litter on your nose, bud. Anyway, you guys are so in for it this week. We have some easy stuff and some cute kittens and a little surprise of how many kittens our little Lunchable had. I was right and she was super due. So let me show you the footage of her that they got the same, like 3 days after the last video, maybe 2 of her over the weekend when it was quiet here. And then we'll go back and take a peek at her kittens and just jump right into this week. Is that your spot? That's his spot. They're up for adoption together only because they're brothers. Okay, kitty. I know. This is Squeaky. He's a sweet boy. Yeah, he's purring. All right, guys, let's go look at some tiny baby kitties.
Oh my goodness, we're here with Lunchable. I just interrupted her grooming a kitten. She's actively having that kitten, I believe. Working hard. Please don't let us bother you, Lunchable. Oh my gosh, I just love little babies coming into the world. Whether it's a C-section or whatever, a calf delivery. Oh, push, mama. I think we're bothering a little bit, so I'm gonna back out. Okay, we're here with Lunchable this morning. She is looking great. We're about 48 hours past parturition or delivery, and she's just amazing. She's doing an amazing job with these kittens. And I just have to say something to the effect of, it always makes me happy and amazes me how happy mother cats are. Look at her. She is like, this is what I was made for. Now that being said, I'm gonna spay her the very first chance I get. So enjoy it, mama.
Look at you, you're such a good mama.
Ham.
Pizza.
Pastrami.
There's no pastrami Lunchable.
They never had a Lunchable in their life. I refuse. I'm like, I'll put some grits and some cheese in a thing for you.
I love a Lunchable.
I mean, I grew up on Lunchables. Yeah.
Now we
And
wait.
baby dinners. Babies. Oh, she's a good mom. That's a chunky kitties. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at that little tiny stripe. You're doing a good job. They're chunky. Look at that, its little goatee. That one just looks like it has like milk that's spilled out. That's so cute.
So we're here with Dede and Dexter today. Dede's doing great, getting around, playing. In fact, you would never know that she had her injury, which is awesome. Today's a big day for them because they're getting their rabies vaccine along with their feline leukemia and FVRCP vaccine. So let's get it done. Okay, looking good. They did great. We're gonna get them back into their cage with their other buddies and we're happy to get this done. We are here with Dexter and Dede this morning. They're doing great, making a mess here. We've separated them from some of their playmates because we are going to spay and neuter them today. Just part of the process of giving them or getting them to their forever home. So we're excited about that.
Well, here is the growth. I forgot to show you guys last week. So this is a normal scapular spine here, and it's kind of that little ridge, if you can feel it in the area of your dog's shoulder. Here it is on this side, and then here's this little growth right here that we were feeling, this little hard growth. And so that's what they removed. Here's a histopathology on Chade. Basically, they said an early unorganized osteochondroma, which can happen in young dogs. It is a tumor, but it is benign. So that's their suspicion, even though they're not going to call it for sure. So it's exactly what we had thought, or Dr. Reed had thought whenever she first saw it. So anyway, it looks like it's completely gone and it may recur, but that's something we were aware of in the first place.
Hey, look at that. Who was Dr. Staples? Okay.
Get your dog under control.
Don't let him fool you. He knows
Haircut. She's getting spayed today. It's okay. I know. Spay and dental. We'll show you her teeth as soon as she's asleep. Okay, Lolly. Okay. She's so cute. So don't make fun of my haircut.
So cute.
So this has been cleaned and x-rayed, but this back, I'll show you this back molar is so bad. Barely hanging in there. This root's exposed. That one's in trouble. These are in trouble. Poor girl. Poor Lolly. Says, oh, I had a hard day. Lolly, next morning, like nothing happened. She's a good girl. Yes, she's a good girl. Well, I'm excited to open the mail this week. Hi. Why do you have to copy me? Are you making fun of me?
Yeah.
It's also always funny because at the end I'm always looking like a, I don't know.
Where's
like
the remote? Why do I look the same and everything?
You don't look the same. Do you want to look tan?
I'm
I'm gonna have a seizure. Can you stop? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a segment that I like. Not my favorite segment, because my favorite segments include animals, which is called... She just sounded like Gary. Gary. Okay, let's do it. First, we're gonna do a letter. We're not gonna show the address, but I already like the art, especially the art back there. Hello, cute, cute, cute.
Oh, yeah. That's my alarm. I gotta go let animals inside. It's hot in Texas. I gotta set alarms so we don't forget them out there.
Oh. Okay, real quick. I am not getting paid anything to say this because nobody wants to sponsor me, but I want to just show you guys this thing that I got. It is a heat monitor and it could save a lot of dogs' lives. It's called Waggle. I'm gonna put it in my car, although I don't have dogs in my car, but it just generally will let me know what the temperature is in my car at all times. Sometimes in the winter we'll go places and they'll be in the car, like when we're out doing dog sports or things like that when it's really cold outside. But I just love it. Any little tech thing that I can look at from my phone and give me readings from somewhere else is like my favorite. It's called Waggle. If they want to sponsor me, that'd be cool. Waggle, I'm a veterinarian and I like you. But I'm gonna let you know next week how it goes, because I actually haven't hooked it up yet. Supply stores. Someone steal these things. Oh, they probably float.
Oh god, I almost tripped on Ryder.
Hey,
how are you feeling? A lot better.
Mama.
Good. Lot better.
Good.
This is Ryder. He's a chunky monkey. Him's cute. Imagine him in a security
Oh my gosh.
sweater. We get him a little flashlight on a belt. We just noticed that.
It's one of two from the same person.
Okay, so I didn't notice that the other box that we had was also from the same place. So we're not going to be able to go through all this, but this is amazing. But thank you guys so much. We have no note in here, so if somebody could comment on this video and let us know who the heck you are, why you're so kind to us, we would appreciate it. Okay?
Love it.
Love
Thank
it.
you.
Bye.
This is Nessie. Okay. Dr. Judd here. Okay. Dr. Judd here, and we have Nessie. We're gonna spay her today. Super excited about that. Of course, we need to do it to find her forever home, and she's been here a bit, and she's ready now. So hopefully, we're gonna get her spayed, maybe move to Petco or a foster home, if not a forever home, as soon as we can. So here we go. Okay, we're here with Scar today, and we're going to give him his booster for his distemper parma with lepto. Happy to do it. He is such a cool shepherd, just the way he looks, walks, and just carries himself. So we're going to get him vaccinated and hopefully get him into a foster home soon. Here we go, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Scar don't care. Perfect.
And you thought I was crazy.
Here's the latest x-rays for T-bone. Everything looks like it's definitely starting to heal. We have a callus here forming, so better than I would have imagined at this point. And he seems to be tolerating the splint really well, so that's awesome. See, that's starting to bridge. Good job, T-bone. Checked on little T-bone and whoop. That's not his leg, but it is a splint. Buddy, we just were talking about how good you were doing yesterday. Cannot even believe it's already time for an annual for Twyla, which makes me sad because that means that we've had her here for a year. So we're gonna get our girl adopted. She's like, no, that's not food. Well, it kind of is a little bit. That's some snacks. Good job. You're so brave. This is Melody. She was diagnosed with leukemia. You guys know her. So we thought we would just address it now because we want to read all your supportive comments. Poor baby.
You're so brave.
You're so brave. You're so good.
No. Okay.
Yum yum. She's like, no, I was not ready.
Alright, then I'll sit the heart chest.
Oh, Twyla did this girl. I'm gonna adopt this girl. Twyla!
Why is there birds on kitten? Come here.
Oh, that is a sad kitten. Why are you so sad?
Look at that one looking up at it.
Oh, because we're feeding him separate. So cute. Tell everybody how cute she is. A whole year. Yeah. She's making.
Should I hold up my boy?
Very busy.
Bye, cute.
Heartworm negative for Twyla. Obviously, it better be. She's been in our care for the last year. We'd have a serious problem. Look how good. Oh God, he was being so naughty before we started recording, and now he's being good, and then I just completely jinxed it. Good job, Kitten.
You're smashing his head into the scale, Megan.
I was trying to get him to smell the chew.
Oh, I mean,
Eat it, relax.
Taste it.
It's so good. It's so good.
Here's Nessie. He's like, I have nothing left on my head. He has no scar or anything. Bye-bye. You don't want it?
It's
Look.
Nom.
There you go.
There it is.
There it is. I love how he's just like, I'll eat it, but I'm gonna
He's
still
like eating like a crazy person.
It's like a predator out on the...
Yeah.
He's never gonna stop. He'll just keep doing it. Dobby? Somebody's coming to meet you Saturday from Houston. They're gonna take you home. I gotta go. Okay, I had to do it. I feel like this week pretty much flew by. This is about as organized as I can get so far, but there's so much awesome stuff. But what a great week. Great fan mail week. Crimson did not get adopted. They did not read where he was FIV positive, and they have other cats and they don't want to separate them. So I forgot to mention that this week. The other thing is that Dobby has the meet and greet this weekend, so I am so hopeful it's gonna go well. He is freaking cute, so I don't know what he could do wrong to mess that up. He's adorable. And that's about it. So we will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for donating and just watching our videos. Consider subscribing, sharing. We definitely need to get more views on our videos so that we can generate more donations and continue to do what we do. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.